Alright, let me see. Check out the technicals, make sure everything is running and sounding good. Little technical difficulties. See, how's that? May need to adjust the music a little bit lower. Alright, I'll just run it. Check later. Alright, so hard time frame with a big upthrust there of yesterday post CPI, so now just kind of watching, trying to see what we get here. Maybe a sweep of the overnight low, prior day low. That would be very nice. So I might have to sit around for a minute. Some good volume here. Just chilling. Mainly want to see this overnight low, prior day low swept. I did pick up another combine. See how that goes. Nothing crazy. Not gonna try to be aggressive with it, so it might take me a minute to pass it. Damn, still nothing for me. Was hoping it would sweep prior day low, but nope. And Q back into view out. Want to try this here, but on a practice account, just as a higher low here off this 670. Well, that worked. Nice. What up, gang? Long time no see. How the hell are you? Oh shit. Why that one? Nice, three more thousand. It's a lot. How many cons are you using? Five in the keys is nuts. Yeah, I see what you mean. You just got one of them? I just picked up another 50k combine today. Took it as a follower. And then once I get this payout, I'm activate my second XFA that I haven't touched yet. You know, it's fucked. I'm eligible for a payout right now, bro. As of yesterday. Like, I had my 5 days of 200 or 150, whatever. Well, with this balance, if I withdraw the money, I'll be shooting myself in the foot. Because then my drawdown is going to be like a few $100s. So, not worth it just yet. Yeah, that's how you felt, but now you don't got nothing. Not to talk shit, but like, damn. It's a little different for you. You've never taken a payout. I say you just take one when it's your first, but just to feel it, you know? Me, like, my first payout was pretty much this. I took it at like 13 or 1400. So I ended up taking a few more payouts out of that before I blew it, but this time around I want to take my time. What'd you trade today anyway? Please don't tell me you traded CPI. You wild guy. Oh, okay, nice. Yeah, I like that. I like that. That sweep priority high right there. Very nice. Very nice. Along the bottom though. See, like, I wanted a sweep of the low, of the overnight low or priority low, but it never came. Alternatively, I was looking at this thing right here. It's a little higher low. At 670, but I kind of chickened out. Ended up taking it on my practice account, which who cares, but yeah, it's me today. Yeah, exactly, bro. It's a little different. You start to take everything so serious. It's annoying. But also, like, this is just not my A+ setup lately anyway. I don't know, man. I got my first 8 payouts using this exact setup, but like lately I just don't trust it as much. So fast on it. Looks like it's back in play. Just chilling now. I don't see anything. I don't see anything worthy yet. Maybe RTY, but I'm looking at this right here as a sweep of that CPI high, but I mean, they're kind of trying to hold it right now, so I don't know. Let's see. The level is 21.5. Like that. I would already say it's been swept. It's just the reaction there is kind of slow. Not my favorite. Okay, yeah, it looks like it might potentially just be a higher low at the overnight high. I'm gonna try short. If it triggers. So that failed. Let's see. What up, Des? What up, Des? What's going on, man? You stream hopping again? Diddling some 10? Kind of. What are they on? Haven't tuned in today. Did you mess with the NQ short at View app? The first one. Post the new low of day. Damn, bro. We're gonna get y'all twisted up in your bias. Gonna get you a little twisted up. Long. 955. Not 955. Ain't that a short? Isn't that a short? Doesn't that look like a short? This right here. Isn't that a short? I see. Hello to the two guys. What up, electronic mods? What's going on? Trying to make sure we don't bounce too much here. Yeah, fuck it, I'll just close it. Who am I to say no to good old open profit? It's close to target anyway. Ah, there it goes. These motherfuckers, man. This is the story that's as old as time. It's always when you close your position that shit starts moving quick. Always. It's hilarious. Crusader. Dare I tilt? No, I'm kidding. Oh Oh shit, I just noticed this too. I just noticed this. I did not realize there was a clean 5-minute up thrust. Damn. That low-key would have gave me a little more conviction to hold that. I did not see that. Oh, that's pain. What the fuck is going on with NQ, man? This thing just died. Is that what you're stuck in, Crusader? Or did you mess with RTY? Morning, Ray. How the hell are you, buddy? Well, good. It's another one of those days where I just watched everybody stack bread. No, I didn't, Dave. I did not. Yeah, I look like that because I didn't gym. Anytime my face is all puffy like that, it's because I skipped. Unfortunately. No, I didn't take it, Dave. I ended up taking this on my practice account. I just didn't like it enough. So, what I did take, something probably even worse, honestly. Is this RTY overnight high sweep. I was compelled to take it, but yeah. Was in the view apps, Australia. Yeah, that's what sucks. I thought you were long only for some reason, Dave. Really? Why do you think it was tough? I like the signal. I like the downtrend intraday. I mean, maybe I'm missing something, but also it's not my kind of setup anyway. This structure is kind of interesting to me. Although, I'll just see how it unfolds here. We got Sesh VPOC here just below 2. Yeah, let me get off the 15 second. 82% long. Solid. Yeah, I feel like we should have definitely been in that. I'm definitely playbooking that for sure. I've been slowly trying to incorporate these back into my trading routine. I guess there's just certain parameters that I need to follow to be taking these type of setups. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I mean. Plus the intra trend, the lower highs, lower lows made sense. I'm gonna take this on the practice account, man. Ah, shit, just went without me. Well, GG's. Missed it. Not locked in. So what do you do when there's no LOIs, like those days where we're just not in range? Do you just stay cash? Or do you try anything else, Dave? Yeah, raise the sim monster, bro. Yeah, as long as, listen, man, as long as you're planning them, I'm happy. I always die a little bit inside when you message me and you say, I traded a bunch of everything. It's like, bro, was it part of your plan? If not, then what are you doing? Hurts me, man. Hurts to see you do that, because I see a little bit of myself. Ah, damn it, man. I really wanted this too, but I mean, yeah, it's a lower quality little consolidation, sweet, whatever. Just dang it. That's how it goes. Funny. What's funny is I like it more on the 15-second, and I've been trying to lean off of it lately. I'll still playbook it anyway. Don't forget the fib. Yeah, I know it's there. I don't even like, my eye for fibs is so trained, like I know it's there now. Do you think that was a valid setup? Did you take it? Rain? Locked out of what, man? I know you're always dusting off that good sim. Oh yeah, okay, same then, Dave. I got the same exact playbook. Break and retest. I love the break and retest. I just have not been confident in taking them after I got steamrolled by a bunch. But I think, like Kyle was telling me, I just need to add some filters. Just need to add some filters to avoid the bad ones. I would say the main thing that I've noticed anyway, I mean, you can add some if you see anything else, but basically what I noticed is like the way they work best is when you have a quick move through the level. So like quick move through, quick move back, and then obviously it follows through the quick move. Anytime it's something slow, like we just kind of trade through it and then we trade back, it'll just either chop here for way too long, maybe even stop your initial entries out a few times and then go, or it'll just fade off. So I would say like that's the main filter. And something about today, when I was looking at it, I like this swift move through, but how long this took to retest, I was like, I don't know, man, it's a little slow, but it ended up working. Like ideally it would have retested this 670 pretty much instantly. Those I just love. So that was my thought process. Yeah, so like that's my thing. Do you have any filters that you look for? 3,800 needs 700 more. God damn, Crusader. Make sure to lock some, man. Don't try to make it all in one trade, or else you're gonna be sweating and then have a headache. Oh man. I may just lock this thing out, brother. I may just take it as is. Generally, you want to be taking them early in the session. I agree with that 100%. I understand. Yeah, with trend is nice, right? Obviously, like if it's a, especially on those, like Kyle calls them the lockout rally, when it's just up all day. I like those because it'll just, every level it will give you a higher low at. But it's these ones too. I guess this is the one you're referring to. Yeah, this is the one you're referring to as counter intraday. But it pairs with the backdrop. Okay, I see, I understand. Okay, yeah. See, the counter trend ones, this is the one I was referring to more than anything, where you need that quick break through it, I think, anyway, because that just, the quick bid through it is what gives me the conviction that it's buyers stepping in. They just aggressively stepped in. And I was making a lot of these good trades at earlier on in the year. Like, so many of these just worked so well for me. I usually just target the structure high though. Although a lot of these do work perfect like that. What about for springs? What's your filter for springs? Yep, exactly. Yeah, I hate to sit there and it doesn't move. It's like, okay, either prove me wrong or let me know if I'm right instantly, please. So for springs, like, I just really want some sort of a reference level or a LOI or a higher time frame sweep. Pretty much one of those. But or the one that I'll use for a scalp is one of these. And like the idea here is I just want a multiple touch point. I was telling Ray about this. Like, I want a multi touch point area. I mean, this one doesn't really count, doesn't have it, but like this is still undeniably a base. But like, essentially, if this same setup did a touch here as well, like the way it held here, and then maybe here again before it did this, that's just, I love those infrastructures. So it'll just base, but it'll have like multiple touch points at the bottom and the top, and then you'll see a sweep. And then those are really good for like a tiny scalp, like 10 to 15 points, nothing crazy. Ooh, a 5-minute swing low, interesting. Ray told me about that too. He's the one like put my eye on that. I've been keeping an eye on that too. Kind of interesting. Still new to that. Oh, okay, interesting. Moves for at least 20 points. Yeah. You know what I've been doing lately? I've been like trying to, well, I guess I'm opening my mind up to kind of just matching my RR. So instead of trading negative R, like here it's 15 points down and I'm just looking for 10 points up, I'll just match it. Or, you know, whatever the structure is, I'll just take it into the structure. Yeah, no, same. That's the goal, right? I want to take less trades, and ideally, thankfully with all the props now and trade syncer, I'll just scale accounts instead of size. Like I don't even care to trade more contracts anymore. Just add more accounts. Crusader, that's a winning trade. Bro, I'm telling you, I'm eligible for a payout. So it doesn't even matter. Like I already have my 5 days of. It's just, I can't. I mean, if I would draw this, I'll have 700 of risk left. Kind of not good. Not good. Two trades and dead, yeah. Which does happen to me lately. My hit rate has not been that good. That's why I'm so cautious about it. Earlier in the year, I would have took it and my hit rate was much higher, but like now I'm in this bit of a rough pit. Yeah, that drawdown is nice. Just a pain in the ass to pass it. What's your target at? I think you should be close to passing it now. Especially if session high hits. But yeah, agreed, Dave. I just want 2 trades per day max. Ideally 1 and done, honestly. Ideally 1 and done. Oh, okay, 6.5K. Are you still in position? I see. Ray didn't like the VWAP because the RR is not that good. You have to take profit off into that level ASAP. It feels odd. I know what you mean. Sometimes it feels like, damn, I still got more energy in the tank. Still want to do something. But especially when there's opportunities flying left and right. But when you actually got stuff to do, like you got kids and jiu-jitsu practice, man, 1 and done is beautiful. You just move on with your day. Yeah, like see, like for Dave too, done pre-market and just enjoy your day. Come back later, take some screenshots, playbook, whatever you missed. It's ideal. Bro, join the Traders Think Tank. We'll keep you accountable. And then you'll have all the resources there to develop your skill and psychology. And just connect with like-minded traders. The DMs are always open. He said, for fuck's sake. It's funny. The Rugrats. Ray, have you done yoga? I think we all need it as traders. Sitting here all stiffed up at the monitors. Ray, what's going on, man? I haven't seen you in a minute. Yeah. There's Ray, then there's Rain. Thanks, man. Yeah, I decided to crank up the funded. Got a little frustrated with trading the regulars. The Ray sandwich. I mean, I don't know what I said. I got frustrated trading the evals, so I just wanted to trade this funded. Also, this funded, I've had this funded since. What's the date on it? Doesn't. Oh, I think that's July 16th. Well, that's when I activated it. But I think I actually got this in June. So I got that thing in like June and I activated it a month later. So yeah, it's been collecting dust for a while. I just couldn't watch it sit there any longer. Later, Rain Man. Oh yeah, they have that stupid trailing system. NQ with a new session high. So just are you trading like what 10 micros? Yeah, I realized trading, yeah, that's I think sucks. For one, why'd you even go with them? Why don't you go with Topstep or Take Profit? Or like so many better props. Too many? Yeah, so okay. So if you're doing too many and use oh, you want it on the giveaway. I got you. All right. So just switch to 20 micros instead of too many. And then when you're in profit, so like let's say you're 20 points in profit, sell 5. And then sell another 5, maybe another 20 points in profit. And then the closer you get to your target, just start raising your trail. So let's say like let's pretend you took this trade here. So once you're 20 points in profit, take some. Maybe your stop is still below. As it starts going in your favor, making higher lows, you just move your trail, move your trail, move your trail. Take more profit into a level, whatever. Raise your trail and so on. But definitely don't let those things go green to red on you. Or else that account will get bonked. That's happened to me with Take Profit. I was just trying to swing for the fences and then yeah, liquidated my account like that. Really? I thought they did. Uh, kind of missed the trade here, but it's not that great. It's a little reclaim retest or break and retest. It's not that good though. Yeah, but that's not how I. Well, by the way, I didn't take this trade. That's the green you see is from something else. This is just something I documented for my playbooking purposes. So I can't trade like that. I can't hold. Like this would piss me off. So it went 35 points in profit and then right back to break even. Like that would tilt me. So I'm not built like that. Yeah, this thing is ripping. So like this right here is a nice little entry. Kind of like what me and Dave were just talking about, but this it's not that great of a pullback. Like I wish they had a cleaner extension. Higher, boom, hammer. I would have took that happily, but this just wasn't that compelling, unfortunately. Max profit for the day? Yeah, lock it out, man. You said you want to try to make it on your own, Crusader? For how long are you going to keep on going in circles until you actually decide to invest in yourself? You could donate money to the market while taking losses, or you could invest it in yourself and lock in. But that money's going to be leaving your bank account anyway. Oh, man. No, I know what you mean. I'm easily tilted too. That's why the best thing you can do is a combination of two things. Have, or maybe even three things. Playbook everything. So like know exactly what your setup is. I mean, I've showed this all the time, but I could show you exactly what my setup is. Exactly what my setup is. Even like what I showed you here, like this thing right here, it's in my playbook because I've see same similar thing. I've logged this before. Excel isn't nothing, bro. Excel just gives you like little, I mean, like stats and shit. Like you need to document screenshots, tag them, annotate them. You need to make your brain memorize what your setup is. And then once you know what your setup is, you just wait. You just wait till it comes. Cuz like you have to ask yourself a question. Once you do know what your setup is, you have to ask yourself a question. Why am I trading if there's not a setup? Like for me right now, if I took a trade anywhere right here, why would I do that? I don't have a setup. Or if I did take a setup and it failed, well, it is what it is. It was worth the try. So, and the third thing, obviously having the lockouts like max contracts, max loss, maybe lock yourself out of trading certain products. You got to babysit yourself. You got to treat this thing like a business in order to get paid like a business. You know? treat it like a hobby, it's gonna pay you like a hobby, which is nothing at all. So, like another little higher low trying to set up. It's actually like good RR on that. Again, no position. Telling you, join us in the traders think tank. Talk to the community. Share your trades. Keep yourself accountable. And then you'll have a reason to stay disciplined because it's like, okay, bro, like now everybody knows what I should be doing. Wow. Wow, this thing is amazing. This thing is amazing. So many setups are just working today. Like, look at that. That's crazy. That actually really worked. Super tight RR too. Insane. Is that all-time highs? Yep, all-time highs. Insanity. Uh, well, one of those days, man. Or you just watching it go by without you because you chickened out. Chickened out on like every setup today on NQ, man. That's just as bad though. Like as it's as bad as taking a loss because I did have A plus setups and I didn't establish risks. What am I doing? But Kyle ended up taking this thing right here, right where I was watching that spring rode this whole thing. Pretty cool. It's another one too. It's just nonstop little higher lows. Here, here, here. All these. What's good, Bob? I'll allow it. Chilling, bro, chilling. Just missed all the trades. SMC? No, absolutely not. I just trade Wyckoff and market structure. See, like, here's another one. Sweeps that little last higher low. We got the level there, our prior all-time high. Nice bid. Nice bid. Yeah, bruh. That's good. Chrissy Dolph. No, not trend lines, just horizontal lines, aka levels of interest. Levels of interest, that's it. Like, look, level of interest, Friday high, overnight high, another level of interest, and look how they react. Look how they react. Level of interest, again, higher low at the level of interest, higher low, higher low, higher low, sweep. And then sometimes I'll mess with like interest structure like this too. Keep it simple. I don't know, bro. I can't say I make good money. Like I'm still developing. So it's my first time trading a funded account and since March. Cause I went on like a really bad red streak. So I just stopped trading my fundeds. I was only trading either sim or the evals. Now I just feel a little bit more comfortable. So I decided to pull out the funded again. That's funny. What about you? Demo for 6 months. Yeah, I get it. Understandable. Yeah, that's better. Like most traders buy evals, so they just take all those losses to the bank nonstop. So yeah, you're way better off trading a demo and saving the money just developing your edge. Way better off. So good job on that. $5K funded. I've never even heard of those. You mean a 50K? Oh, Forex. I see. I see. That's interesting. How much is a drawdown on that? Is it all 5K drawdown or is it like a 5K account? Because this is called a 50K account, right? But the drawdown on these is only 2,000. So it's really a $2,000 account. There's another little setup right there. Again, our level kind of sweeps it slightly by a few ticks. Bounce. Dang, so what? That's kind of useless, no? So you only got $50 of drawdown? What use? What? How's that? How is that any useful? You have to you have to trade like the most microscopic size, and even then, still get bonked in like one or two trades. Good morning, Toodles. Late birds getting fed, huh? Bro, that's not crazy. 6 months on demo is not crazy. That's a good thing. It's a good thing. I wish I did that. You know how much money I've donated to Topstep and in just eval fees while developing my strategy? It's not worth it. I see, I see. What do you trade on futures? What um what commodity? Yeah, like a few thousand, bro. A few thousand. I'm pretty much break even on from what I've taken out in payouts. I'm like pretty much break even. Been trading for like 5 years. I've been trading for like 5 years and it's still hard. So if you ever think about quitting, just do it. Do it before you're in too deep. Yeah, tough. It's a decent RR setup. I just can't get myself to take a trade, man. I don't know why. I feel so chicken. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 setups, and I didn't take any of them. Probably time to shut it down. The one thing I would look to trade is disagree. The more you goon, the more L's you take. If this thing based like this for 30, 40 minutes, I'd be interested if we swept this again, this area. Like that. God damn, can't even draw a straight line. Whatever, you get the point. No. She mid. I'm assuming you would. This is like the third time you mentioned her. Bro probably has her poster on his wall. Live as in self-funded? Yeah. Yep. It's a waste of money. I'll sell you, bro. I'll sell you Tori's course. Here, bro. Watch this. Watch this, man. Give me a little line. Boom. Buy right here. That's it. Draw a trend line. Once it breaks, buy it. That's it. That's our course. And also, if you forget about nonsense like trend lines, look at the location. Look at the location. This is our level of interest. Little market structure, higher low. Another one. So you don't gotta be doing all that nonsense like ICT and trend lines to see where price is trading and how it trades. Like, all you need is just to learn market structure. That's it. Market structure at levels. Bro, honestly, that's the thing though. It's really not about your strategy. Like if your strategy is mathematically proven that it has edge, it's just about not crashing out. That's it. So like whenever you take a loss or you have FOMO, you gotta make sure you don't get in there and trade. It's like it's your emotions you need to get a grip on, because obviously all you guys know how to make money. Like every single one of you knows how to take a good trade and manage it. It's the emotional is what always gets you. The emotional side of trading. And I'm guilty of it too. That's why it's been such a long 5-year journey for me. Struggling to get a grip on myself. Yeah, exactly. No, 100%. 100%. I mean, look at me, bro. Look at me. I've showed you 7 setups that were all good, that I should have been in, but my emotions kept me out. That's a loss in itself. So that's just one of those. Like if I was a bot and I had those discretionary parameters to, okay, that's a valid RR setup, there's edge, boom, I take it without even thinking every time, every time, every time. It'll be easy. But no, there's always that emotion. It's like, oh, do I take profit here? Oh, my stop hit. Oh, and you lose it every time. Oh, by the way, we're giving out a 250K TPT accounts if you guys are interested. And my eyes hurt. Here, I'll share the link. Here's the Why don't you start nailing some trend lines and then you just flutter DMs with successful screenshots. Be like, look what you did. Anyway, to participate in that 50K account giveaway, all you gotta do is just join the Think Tank free 14-day trial. It is free for 14 days of a trial. And comment PTG, and then you're in the giveaway. And that's it. There's 2 accounts, so 2 potential winners. All right, toodles. See you later, my friend. Damn. Is there no music? I should have died. Tough. Later, Dave. Have a good workout, sir. volume is completely gone, especially compared to earlier. Fully gone. This is untradeable here. Сколько лет в трейдинге? 5. Первый русскоязычный комментарий в этом стриме за все время. А, Джеки. Понял. All right, I'm shutting it down. It's too slow. Did hit daily goal. I was hoping for another trade, but I missed most trades today, so shutting it down. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.